By lunchtime, I take a short break. Sitting at a small table in the back of the bakery, I enjoy a sandwich and a cup of tea. It's a moment of peace in an otherwise busy day, surrounded by family photos and a potted plant that add a homely touch. In the afternoon, I often host baking classes. Today, I'm teaching a small group how to bake cookies. I demonstrate techniques with enthusiasm while the participants follow along. The aroma of baking cookies fills the air, and the kitchen buzzes with excitement and joy. The after-school crowd brings another wave of activity. Behind the counter again, I serve cupcakes to children and chat with regular customers. The bakery is lively, filled with chatter and the sound of the cash register. It's a heartwarming scene that I cherish. After closing time, the bakery quiets down. I clean the counter and organize the display case, feeling a bit tired but satisfied. The dimly lit bakery, now peaceful, gives me a sense of accomplishment after a long day. Back home, I change into comfortable pajamas and relax on the couch with a cup of tea. I read a book in the softly lit living room, enjoying the calm and quiet. It's a perfect way to unwind after a busy day. Before bed, I write in my journal, reflecting on the day's events. Sitting on my bed with the nightstand lamp casting a warm glow, I feel peaceful and content. The dark, starry sky outside my window adds to the serene atmosphere. Running a bakery is hard work, but it's also incredibly rewarding. Every day I get to share my love for baking with my community, and nothing makes me happier than seeing the smiles on my customers' faces. Thank you for spending the day with me.